today I'm doing a jelly soak after a long day. This soak comes with a lot of warmth. It's kind of you're cuddling your feet, so stay tuned up to the end. Don't leave. And if your feet looks like this video is also for you, because I'm going to show you how to get rid of cracked feet. So stay tuned, subscribe, and now let's start the video. So I'm going to start with cleaning my feet, that is to remove dirt. At the same time, I'll be using pumice stone to clean up the dead skin, or to remove the dead skin. Remember, dead skin is the monster formed against your heels, because after it has accumulated for so long, what is going to happen? Your feet are going to crack. They're also going to look dry. They're also not going to look pretty. So this is something that I'm doing just to make sure that as I soak my feet in the jelly soak, that they are looking good, they are looking clean, so that after the jelly soak, I don't want to get rid of the feeling that I'm going to get from the jelly soak by now cleaning up the feet. No, I just want to soak my feet, and then after that I moisturize, and now I can go to sleep with the feeling. Okay, so I'm using this black pumice stone. It's getting the work done, and you can tell I was already tired, because tell me why my feet are on the table. Yeah, is it not the table, the stool? Yeah. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning. I'm just trying to make sure that my nails are in good shape. By the way, experiencing cracking of the nails. Anyone who can recommend a remedy for this, I'll really appreciate. Let me know in the comment section. Then I was removing that dead skin, but ended up messing up with my nails, because you can say some of the gel got off, and therefore it meant that I should do a nail polish very, very soon. But yeah, I don't know why I was chasing that. Now, the most awaited part is soaking my feet in jelly soak. So I'll need warm water in a basin. Then I'm going to add the salt side. This is how it looks like. That's how they look like. They're rough kidogo. So I'm going to add that in the warm water, then dip my feet inside there. Remember, the feet are clean, so I'll just be cuddling my feet like that, slowly, and within no time the jelly is going to change to these. And as I continue soaking and cuddling my feet inside there, they're also going to change to these. Can you? So the warmth that is usually here, like, you just feel your feet just feel so good. And because I was it's like the jelly ensures that the warmth in the water stays in them, so it's just a very good feeling, guys. I wish you can try this at home, or when you go to your spa, please tell them you want a jelly pedicure, and you're going to thank me later. So if you have come this far, please make sure that you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section, is this something you would try? Because for me, I can live for this. I can live for this. Yeah. So this is how they are looking like. They hold together more like that. Yeah, and at this point I'm going to add the other side of the jelly so that it becomes watery, and from there now I can rinse my feet. And by the way, guys, after that you have to dry in between your toes, because we don't want fungal infection because of water left in between your toes. Okay, yeah, so making sure that the feet is well dried. Make sure that the feet is well dried to avoid all these fungal infection or any other infection, and just to ensure that when you moisturize, the feet is the moisturizer is able to sit well on your feet. So guys, feet clean. Now time to moisturize. So I'm using lanolin and coconut oil. That is what I'm going to moisturize my feet with, girl. Actually, I think I really love the massaging part whereby I'm applying the moisturizer and then I'm massaging. And remember, at this point the feet are just smooth and looking good and clean, and therefore, ew, it just feels so good. Can you look at that feet? You can tell that they are pampered and someone has taken time to take care of them. I really love this for myself. So like I've told you, I'm looking for a remedy solely because my nails are cracking. So I'm just trying to apply some coconut oil. I don't know the reason why the nails are cracking, but I'll figure it out. I will figure it out. Yeah. So that is the final result, which I really love. Look at those nails. Now clacking, smooth, pretty, and looking good. So thank you guys for being here up to now. I really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much, and make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this kind of pedicure. See you in my next video. Bye bye.